Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm making Cajun shrimp. These are the ingredients for the shrimp. I have 1/8 teaspoon of pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons Old Bay seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of sugar. I have 2 teaspoons of paprika, dash of Louisiana hot sauce when I start making the Cajun shrimp. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin. I use 1 onion, 4 garlic cloves. I'm going to use 1 celery stick and a half of bell pepper. These are the peppers I had left over. I only used a half of onion and half of each color pepper. These are the vegetables, celery, the red, orange, and yellow peppers, and the onions. And I'm about to chop up the garlic. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. I added some oil to the skillet for the Cajun shrimp that I'm making today. So let me just go ahead and start heating it up. I added the garlic, the bell peppers, onions, and celery in the pan. So these will cook for about 10 minutes. So here, just let them saute for a while. This is for the Cajun shrimp that I'm making today. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the spices to this mixture here. This is the paprika. This is the Old Bay seasoning. Some chili powder. And this is some pepper flakes and cumin. Now, if you don't like your spicy, you can omit the pepper flakes. And this is the lemon powder. And this is the sugar. I'm going to go ahead and add about a cup of water to this. Let this cook a little bit more before we add our shrimp. These are the shrimp that I'm using today. They jumbo raw shrimp, easy to peel with shell and tail on. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tail before I add it to the sauce. This is a net of 12 ounces of shrimp. I just took them out of the refrigerator because I didn't want to take a chance of any bacteria growing on the shrimp. I'll go ahead and add the shrimp to the pan here. I'm going to let these shrimp cook until they turn pink, and then it will be done. This is only going to take a few minutes. add a little cornstarch to the shrimp. Mix it with water, cold water. And pour it in there. The dish is about ready. Just need to let the sauce thicken up a little bit. Taste it, see if it's got enough seasoning in it. It's very good. After the sauce is thick enough, it is ready. It is ready to go. It's ready to eat.